Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we are back with another HALARA try on haul, specifically focusing on their athletic skirts. We've officially reached my favorite seasons to wear HALARA, okay? Mostly because it is hot as heck in Dallas and I live in their activewear dresses and their skirts, okay? In their skirts, they have so many styles, fun patterns. I'm gonna share with you some of my standouts. You guys know, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video, talk you through fit styles. There is a couple in here that I wanted to point out the fit and how I would have chose a different size and whatnot, and explain to you the details, all the good stuff. But just when I think HALARA skirts can't get better, they just always do, okay? So they also have provided me with a coupon code. It is KellyF, and that will save you 20% off. If you're somebody who loves a good deal, shops by deals, me, search on their site, circle at HALARA to find out all of their monthly limited deals. You will not be disappointed. But let's jump in, okay? Let's start with this one. This one's fun. This is giving like the track pant, but in a wearable way. Also, I have loved all the little like logos they've been doing on it. I just think it's really cute and it's just a better little touch, if you will. So this is, think like Adidas, all the things, right? This is very flattering, okay? So something to note about this skirt is it has just a solid panel up at the top. It is like stitched, so it's not like a flat seam, which is fine, but if you're kind of in between sizes, you could size up if you wanted, not as like a digging in. If you tend to carry your weight like in your stomach, then maybe size up, because this does have double seams, which tend to just kind of push in a little bit more. But this is so pretty. Plus, I also find that a like no slit, no movement skirt like this, just one panel, tends to fit a little bit tighter, especially if you have thighs and all that stuff. So I could have sized up to medium this, but it wasn't a deal breaker for me by any means. The base of this is still the same as the waistband, very much like a stretchy, athletic, silky type of material, and it has these stripes, which the stripes are still stretchy, but like not as, they're kind of like a more fixed type of thing. But I really like this. Again, has the shorts underneath. There is only one pocket on the right side of this specific short. The shorts are the same color as the skirt, which is important, okay? Very, very important. So I love that, very athletic-y, very cute. I could see me wearing that to my son's soccer games, so on and so forth. Love. Okay, let's move on to my favorite. Okay, let's just go to the favorites. I got this in three colors, okay? I love this style of skirt so much. It is probably my most worn, and when I saw they dropped some new colors, I definitely wanted to try them out. So they also have added the logo to the back of that one, which I love, and this has that V shape in the back, which is very flattering. This is not double seamed in the front. It is in the back, but that's not where it digs. It digs in the front, you know. Criss-cross waistband, insanely flattering. Whether you're wearing it with a t-shirt, like I do most of the time, or a sports bra or whatever, so flattering. This is like very buttery, very stretchy type of material, so comfortable. And the waist kind of tapers in. I don't know if you can kind of see, and then bows out. This is my favorite style for the cross waistband, love that. This color selection, and then I love the two panels. So this has, you can see the front panel that kind of butterfly splits, and there's a back panel. I just feel like you get less pulling on it if your glutes are bigger or your quads are bigger or whatever. You just get more of like a flow versus like a pulling type of thing. So I love these. I get true to size and a small. If you want to go up, you might get a little bit more length if length is kind of an issue. That is one thing I wish that they do in the future, is order a petite, regular, and then a longer length. But I feel like athletic skirts, if there's shorts underneath them, it's not a big deal. So again, these have the shorts that match perfectly, same color, very stretchy, and both pockets on both sides. So I love this. This does not have any like pocket in the back or on the side, just in the legs, which is perfect for phone, key, lip gloss when you're on a walk. That is like my go-to, as well as with these, with the pockets being here, and then you have this slit. It doesn't like bulge out, like it gives room for that. So good. And then this color, it's kind of like a seafoamy green, minty green, love. that's why I got it in 2 other colors. I have this in, I want to say the orange, pink, a couple of other colors, but this blue, again, same crisscross waistband, detailing on the back right there, and then the 2 panels, so the front panel and the back panel, as well as the little V seam in the back, and the 2 pockets in the front on the leg, which are just everything. In this blue, stunning. I think it looks great on literally everyone's skin tone. I love this blue. I love it. I also love this color. This is like a poppy-ish red sort of, oh my God, it's so vibrant on the camera. It's not as vibrant, I feel like, in real life, but it's beautiful. I own this in the dress. I want to say it's Poinsettia. I own this in the dress as well, which I love, but again, V shape in the front, pockets, 2 split hems, the little V in the back, and the logo. I love this so much. I'm either gonna put the blue or the pink on after this video, probably the pink. Then the next one I tried out, again, I wish I had sized up in this, and I typically do. When it's one solid from the front to the back with no sort of like slit or movement, I like to size up because you can just see this pulls at my like hip area. So I would say if you're in between sizes with this, size up this specific style. I do love this. I feel like it's a very classy type of skirt. I own this in white in a medium, and I have it, and it fits so much better. I just forgot to order a medium in this, but love this green. Again, a little bit darker, like almost like a sagey pistachio green, if you will. This does have the seams at the top, which again, like I said, adds extra like support up there, but can dig in, so size up. So I love the piping and the detailing on this, so cute. And then the logo is down here at the bottom of the skirt. This is almost like a different material than the other skirts. It's still very stretchy. The seam's still stretchy, but it feels like a little more brushed or like thicker, if you will. And then it has the shorts with the pockets on both sides as well. Is it like, that's what I'm saying. If you're putting anything in your pocket, you're gonna see it out this. So I would size up, which I was obviously thinking because I sized up in this and it fits perfectly. Okay, so this is basically that same style of skirt, but in like a windbreaker material, which I really liked. This has the drawstring waistband as well. Perfect for walks, I feel like, because if you're putting like your phone or anything in your pockets, it's nice to have like a little bit of able to like cinch it in a little bit more. I like them. This again has the paneling. I got this in the medium, so you can see it doesn't pull. It has pockets in the actual skirt itself and not in the legs, but the legs are like the stretchy typical fabric, and then the outside is like a sheer swishy. I love this, very cute. But I feel like this would be a cute golf skirt, and I really like the material. Very, very lightweight, very breathable, and the little logo in the bottom. And then last but not least, I love to pick up like fun printed ones because you guys know I'm very much a basic, like I like just wearing white tees with it. So I like to go fun with the skirt, and I love when they drop like these limited patterns. I have a striped one from them. I think I have a polka dot one as well. You know, I saw that online and I didn't get the polka dot. I think I'm gonna get the polka dot. But again, this is the back, so you have the logo. This does have the waistband that's sewn all the way around. It's not like a flat line. But I feel like surprisingly this fits fine. You have the little, just like rounded, it's not a V, but you have the logo. And there's the front. This is kind of like a gathered type of skirt. It's not like a panel, it's all the way around. Little pink houndstooth. And then underneath you've got the same houndstooth shorts, key, and you have pockets on both sides as well. I love this. I think it's so girly, especially with this little white tee. Just a fun like pop. I have a pink striped one from them that I wear a lot as well. These for me are more like athleisure. I don't really wear these to the gym. I have seen girls do Pilates in them. It just is not my cup of tea, but I love them for walks. I love them for going to the park with my son. You look a little more put together, but you're so freaking comfortable. It's incredible. So if you haven't checked out HALARA's active skirts, active dresses, basically comfortable anything, check them out. And don't forget to use code KellyF. That will save you 20% off of your order. I will have all the details in the description box down below, as well as on the YouTube shop button. But yeah, big shout out to HALARA again for partnering with me, and I cannot wait to live in these skirts all summer, spring and summer long. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.